Hello friends, in this video I will going to be show you how to send email in AppScript, how to automate to send email, stop or end the auto send email. So let's begin. Go to your browser and type script.google.com and hit enter. It will open a page and there we will click new project and delete all the existing function, and here I will create a function name functions send email, and now I will create a variable, three variable, const email, const subject and const message, and then I will send this three variable through a function called mail app dot send email, and I will pass this three variable email, subject and message. So let's write an email. I'll write my email address and then subject and then message. Now let's try it. So I'll save this script, and to run this you have to select the function and just run. It will ask for permission. First time it will take some time, so allow the permission. Go to advanced and go to unsafe and then allow. Just now I'll check email whether it's sent or not. See, it's sending the email. Now let's automate it. First I will save this script as auto email, and now we'll automate this. So automate, go to the trigger and there go to the add trigger button over the right hand downside, and here we will select the function name, and then we'll select the timer, and then we'll select every minute and then save. So first time it will also ask for permission, so allow for the permission. Okay, and let's see whether it's sending email or not. Yeah, it's sending the email. So let's wait for another 1 minute. I am fast forwarding this video. Yeah, it's working fine. Now to close this automated sending email, we have to go to trigger, and there we have to click this three dot and then delete. It will delete the auto sending email trigger. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also share this video. Want to learn programming? Thanks for watching.